In this video, I'll be going over a super simple gold trading strategy that has over an 80% win rate and no daily bias is required. Now be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video, as I'm going to be going over a live example on exactly how you can execute this strategy. Let's get started. So we'll go over some rules and then we'll go over the entry model. So to get started, the time frames we are going to be using is the hourly time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, and the minutes time frame is where we're going to enter our trades. Now the trading hours that I prefer, that has given me the best results, is the New York session, which is 8 a.m. till 12 p.m. for this particular model. And now our entries are simply based off a retracement of a fair value gap or an order block. Now if any of this doesn't make sense at the moment, be sure to watch the video till the end, as that's where I'll be going over how to enter the trade. So let's get started. So for this strategy to work, we need some form of consolidation. So this box represents our consolidation. I'll just mark out the box again. So this is our box of consolidation. So this is also known as accumulation in the trading space. Now our manipulation is where price takes out either the high or the low of the consolidating chart, and then our distribution is where price moves towards the upside. Now this hourly candle represents the distribution phase, which price moves towards the upside, and our accumulation is obviously the consolidation. The manipulation on the hourly, once again, is where we take out these lows right here, and our distribution is this candle wick right here that moves price towards the upside. Now if any of this doesn't make sense, once again I'll be going over the live example shortly. So before we do, I just wanted to go over some of the results of our members that have used our AI trading bot. So many of you guys know that passing prop firm challenges are not easy. You risk 2%, 3%, and you have a very small buffer to be able to pass these accounts. So here are some of our clients' results. We've got countless payouts and certificates of passing. So I'll go over one of the results right here. Mitchell passed his account using our trading bot on the 23rd of October. Now I know these are not the latest results, so if we head over to our Telegram channel, which is in the link in the description, here are some of our latest results. Here's one from today, actually, the 20th of January. You can see the phase 1 and 2 was passed, and we can verify that on FTMO's website. So if I go ahead and open it, you guys can see he passed on the 2nd of January. This was phase 1. And if we move over to phase 2, he passed it on the 20th of January, which wasn't today, actually, it was yesterday. So if you are interested, the link is down below. If you have any questions, you can send us a message. Now let's move over to the live example of this strategy. So once again, like I mentioned, for this strategy to work, you need some form of consolidation. So we have candle wicks up and down, candle wicks up and down. So we mark out our consolidation. And what we're waiting for is the next hourly candle to either take out this low right here. So this low right here to be taken, this one right here, as this is the lowest low, or we are simply waiting for this high to be taken, which is the highest high within the consolidation zone. Now it is 7 a.m. currently. We are waiting for the 8 a.m. candle, which is once again the start of the New York session. So what we're going to do is drop down to the 15 minutes time frame and see what happens. And as you guys can see, we had our accumulation, which is the consolidation, our manipulation, which is right here. So I'm going to mark it out. This is our manipulation. And now we're waiting for distribution, which already happened. So I'm actually going to go back so I can show you guys how to actually execute the trade. So as soon as we have manipulation happen, we drop down to the minutes time frame. And from here, we're simply waiting for a market structure shift. So we want this high to be broken right here. If this high isn't broken and price just continues to move towards the downside, like say for example something like this happens and we have no market structure shift and price just continues to go down, do not enter the trade. So let's see what happens. So we've had our market structure shift, and now we want to enter off an order block or a fair value gap. So as of right now, we've not got any order blocks or fair value gaps, so we wouldn't be entering any trades. So let's see what happens. So we've got a fair value gap right here. So if there is a zone, we would tap in to, then I would take the trade. But I've seen another fair value gap, which is right up here, and it's tapped in. So I would enter off of there. Simply place your long position at the start of the fair value gap or stop loss below these lows right here. If you want to be on the safer side, you can do this low down here. So we're going to do this one for the video example, and we want to aim for a simple 1 to 2 risk to reward. Nothing more than that, as this is the safest option if you're trying to maximize your win rate with this strategy. Okay, there we go. And let's see how this trade plays out. And as you guys can see, straight to TP in, let's see how long that trade took. So you were literally holding this trade for about 5, 10, about 15 minutes, and you're hitting a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Now on a 100k account, you're risking 1% to make 2%, which is $2,000, or you're risking 2% to make 4%, which is $4,000, which is 50% of your phase 1 complete. Now, once again, guys, if you are interested in getting access to our AI trading bot, check out our website before you message us. You can create your own custom strategy. So if you take this quick quiz, it just tells you who you are as a trader. So I'm just going to skip through these, but based on your trading profile, we create a custom strategy for you. You put your name down, and then you put your account size 100k. Let's just put my name down here and generate a certificate, and then you just get your custom bot. Make sure to download the certificate or take a screenshot and send that to us when sending us a message, and we'll create you a custom AI trading bot. And there's plenty of more information on our website, like manual trading versus our AI trading bot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below.